Welcome to DNA's Birding Adventures. We're back at Lon Hagler. It's a beautiful fall morning and we saw a bunch of birds and other critters that were wandering around, including a couple grumpy birds. We sure do love Lon Hagler, and every time we head there, there's just something else that it has to offer. Right now it's just fall, the leaves are changing and the birds are out gathering store for the winter, and Dave captured a couple grumpy bird pictures. Look at this robin and the northern flicker. He wasn't very happy. The birds have pretty much left. There are a few though. We got 16 altogether, and we didn't add any to our list. Speaking of bird lists, we keep a few lists: our backyard list, our yearly list, our life bird list. Dave keeps a Colorado list. It's endless. And here we go. Enjoy the walk. Lon Hagler. All the leaves are changing. It's a really pretty trail. You can hear the seagulls. It's really pretty out here. All the leaves on the bushes and the trees are starting to change. Hi. Those are ruby-crowned kinglets, and there's a whole bunch of robins eating the juniper berries. American robins are sure pretty birds. They're here year-round, in fact, pretty much in the whole country. And they will eat the juniper berries and other insects and fruits if there aren't any worms after rain. We mostly had the rabbitbush blooming, but we did see this prickly poppy and the woolly mullein are out in force. Here's a grasshopper sitting on one. There was an abundance of butterflies though, including this beauty. Dave captured a few amazing pictures of this buckeye. Just love my wide angle lens. There's a little canal right in there with water. Robins are flying right around in those trees. flicker in there. A blue jay just chased, I think, a woodpecker out of those trees over there. Goldfinches. The red berries are just beautiful in the fall with these, I think they're barberries, and the wax currant berries, and then the Virginia creepers. They're gorgeous. You can hear those black-capped chickadees. Just heard a belted kingfisher in here somewhere. There's little minnows in that canal. There's a lot of water. This is the spot where we saw all those Wilson snipes, like 13 of them in the spring. Butterflies. Saw some blue jays, black-capped chickadee, downy woodpecker, and then there's a lot of seagulls out there and fishermen. This is the spot where we saw the whimperel last year. About this time. There's some couple white-breasted nuthatches right in there. And then 2 northern flickers right in that tree. And the black-capped chickadees are upset about something. Small for a monarch. Maybe it's a viceroy. The viceroys are much smaller than the monarchs, and you can see the difference here. We actually saw both today. There's a monarch butterfly over there. They're migrating. We've seen like 3 today. And we're heading back this way. Here's the monarch for comparison. They're quite a bit more shy than the other butterflies. See quite a few different butterfly species. These are almost as pretty as the monarchs, but sorry, not quite. They're quite beautiful, and they all love the rabbitbush. And then, of course, there are the mosquito eaters and insect eaters, which we really need. Then, of course, the token black-tailed prairie dog. They're the ones that are out east here in Colorado. Then there are the white-tailed prairie dogs in the west of Colorado, and the Gunnison prairie dogs. The Colorado parks do a great job in preserving a lot of the bats and birds and wildlife, including this osprey nest. They have poles up everywhere. Then we saw this robin, and I think he was pretty angry at Dave. Actually, I think that was just the look on his face. He was pretty grumpy looking. This was just a great day capturing grumpy birds and butterflies and other insects and this gorgeous fall scenery. You don't have to go way up into the mountains to find changing leaves. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy trails to you.